Time is the most just. Our flexible equipment finally has its perfect moment. We previously made more than a dozen sets of automatic loading and assembly equipment for special sheet metal terminals for a customer. The customer always felt that our flexible equipment was too expensive. So this year, their products will need to be changed. Whether it is the structure or parts, they will be different from the previous ones. So the production line will need to be modified. Then what needs to be modified in our equipment? 1. The fixture needs to be replaced. 2. Replace the rotating buffer mechanism. 3. Replace the transportation and assembly mechanism. 4. Replace the assembly guide mechanism. Then it's all over. Even the customers themselves find it really worthy. It saves a lot of time and cost. Next time their products change models, they might as well just replace these things. This renovation really gave us a great sense of achievement.